What's up guys, welcome back to another 2023 Subaru BRZ video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the warranty and what can void your warranty, what cannot void your warranty. And my sources today are my dealership service tech and some Google research, and anyone else that I can credit will be on screen. So let's get straight into it. So first of all, the warranty for a Subaru in Canada is you get warranty on all basic and major components of the vehicle, and the warranty lasts for about 36 months or 60,000 kilometers driven. So there are multiple things that do not void your warranty and that do void your warranty, and I'm gonna try to name them all, but at the end I will split them up and tell you guys which one my tech told me about and which ones I've just read online. Now, I believe a lot of these are also tied in with America. So before we do get into this video, I do have to shout out and mention the comment on screen right now for asking the question on whether or not the axle back voids the warranty or not. Okay, so let's go ahead and start off with what does not void the warranty. External mods. External mods meaning aero kits around the car, underneath the bumpers, under the skirts, diffusers, and lights. So any the headlights, the rear lights, that does include any of these brake lights here, light extensions. They do not void the warranty. I believe even light bars do not void the warranty. Not that most people will run light bars, but if you were to do so, I don't think that would void it. The second thing that cannot void your warranty are CATBACK exhausts, and yes, that goes with the axle back as well. Anything from the catalytic converter and back is completely safe. You won't have to worry about voiding the warranty. So the next item that does not void the warranty, yes, suspension components. So coilovers, springs, lowering springs, all those kinds of things, they do not void the warranty. And finally, last but not least, any internal mods. So if you were to change the gear shifter, the handbrake, wouldn't recommend touching the steering wheel because you do disable airbags, or the airbags will become faulty. Obviously, if you're disabling safety features in the car or you're changing anything of that nature, the warranty might be voided. If you do, it's a risk you're taking. So let's go ahead and move on to what does void the warranty, because there are quite a bit of things that do void the warranty, unfortunately. And a lot of these things, or at least one of these things, is a major component to modding your car. This is something you would do so that a lot of your parts are functional, especially internal mods like engine parts. So right off the bat, we're gonna go with the tune. Unfortunately, a tune will void your warranty because you are completely changing what the ECU is meant to do and the way that the car is supposed to perform. The second thing that is going to void your warranty is headers. Yes, headers are going to void your warranty. They require a tune, right? Without a tune, the performance of your vehicle is not really going to be improved. It's more or less going to be worse without a tune. So headers are definitely going to void your warranty because you will need that tune eventually. And again, this just moves on to the third thing on the list here, which is any engine mods that could alter the way the car operates. So I'm gonna have to say turbo kits, superchargers, stuff like that. You're obviously looking at a voided warranty ASAP. I mean, forget the tune part, because you will obviously need a tune for a turbocharged BRZ, but not even the tune itself, the turbocharger will just void the warranty altogether. So, I mean, these things, I'm sure most people know, these are major components for the car. So yeah, they're gonna void the warranty. And of course, the last one here we've got on the list is cutting the exhaust. So this goes back to the question, does an axle back void the warranty? No, it does not if it's a bolt-on, but yes, it does. If you're cutting off the stock OEM muffler, then yes, it will void your warranty. You must keep the stock OEM parts. As soon as your warranty's up, you guys can sell that thing, doesn't matter, but I highly recommend keeping the stock parts in case, let's say you can't pay for the car, you have to put the parts back on, or you have to get rid of the car in some way. You have to give it back to the dealership, whatever it is, you will need those stock components for the car. So a lot of these things I got online, and a lot of them I got from my tech. So the ones that I got from my tech were the headers, tune, and the catback and axle back exhaust questions. So yeah, hopefully that helps you guys out a little bit. Hopefully that answers some of your questions. So sorry for the long wait on these videos. I've had an injured foot, and I will be starting a new job shortly, so I have no time to record at the moment. Today I do, but you know, for the most part I won't. And plus, I'm not getting any new parts for the car just yet. I'm still waiting on some stuff, and for now you're just gonna see the stock BRZ 90% of the time on the channel until I can get myself together. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, hit that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Make sure to keep up to date if you're interested in the BRZ. And again, ask any questions. I will be replying to all your comments, and I will make a video on your comment depending on what it is. If it's something that I can talk about in a video, then I'll 100% make a video on it. But for now, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Peace out.